Today we're going to be looking at 5-ESS-1-1. And the questions I would like to ask you as emerging learners for this scientific project we're about to start is, why do you think stars look like they do in the night sky? Why do you think stars make up certain shapes and objects in the night sky? Why don't those shapes and objects change in shape and size? They stay the same all the time. So those are going to be the kind of questions that we want to answer as we go through this exploration, which is going to be on your Google Classroom Chromebook account, and you'll have this video which allows you to take a 3D tour of some of the shapes that we see in the sky, and hopefully that'll alleviate or answer some of the questions that you guys have for this unit. It's also important to think about why we see certain stars in the night sky in the way that we do, and how far away they are, and the differences in brightness for each star, because that's going to play into a lot of what we're going to discover about this phenomenon. It's also a big piece of what we're going to learn about the universe as a whole as we explore this unit further. We're going to be talking about a lot of other stuff that takes place in our universe. So this is just going to be a fundamental understanding of what you will need to learn about the observable universe, space, and eventually we will be able to explain why these shapes and objects appear in the night sky in the form that they do.